Stories, I'm a fool for your love.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a tutor with me. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, I'm Mitsuaki Sakuma. So I'm here for tutoring her. So let me introduce myself a little bit. So I'm native Japanese and 26 years old and live in Tokyo. And the reason why I can speak English is I lived in the States for like 1 year. There I learned English. Like before that, like I couldn't speak any English. So and my hobby is just doing. I used to be boring, and now I do like some cookings.
Wait, it used to be boring?
I used to be boring, like breakdancing. Breakdancing.
Okay. Alright, continue.
Or
What do you like?
oh, I like cooking, and I do like watching YouTube channels. Mostly I watch like YouTube like cooking and breakdancing and some like funny videos in Japan. I'm working as a freelancer in Japan, so mostly my job is to help foreigners like this thing, or like many people ask me to help like any kind of job like cleaning or like moving stuff or translating or just for like event stuff, like interpreter. Like I do help like any kind of thing, so if you need any help, you can contact me.
And your information will be in the description box
that's gonna be
below.
here. Alright, so goodbye, see you in the next videos.
Bye!